my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You know, I appreciate you for doing so, okay? First things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. All my old time subscribers, thank you guys for clicking on this video as well, okay?
I tell mama, I tell mama,
You don't know, babe, when you hold me, if I had it my way, you would. Hey y'all, so obviously I am finishing up my coils all around my head. I did it in, you know, my normal wash and go section. So I just want to show you guys up close and personal shot of the front. Some parts did unravel because I'm not using a comb and I'm not really going from the root all the way down to the tip. But you know, it is what it is. This is how I was looking. Okay. I got my baby hairs and whatnot, but my hair felt really, really good. I'm really glad that I chose to use the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil. It's like the perfect gel for me for this type of style. So I decided to let it air dry. You guys know I don't ever air dry, so I let it air dry, so stay tuned. So this is how my finger coils are looking. Alright, I air dried this time. Can y'all believe it? Oh, your girl air dried, okay? You're new here. It's very rare that I will air dry. So I walked around in public looking like this right here. Some did unravel like this. Yeah. So I think if I would have used a comb, you guys know the comb method where, you know, you can actually start locks that way and you get like a tighter coil. So some did unravel, as you saw. And I'm a little nervous to unravel these because I think it's gonna give me a whole bunch of frizz. But we're gonna do it, okay? So hold on. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and unravel. You can obviously go the opposite direction in which you did your coils, but you know, your girl is just, we're just gonna be gangsta with it and just, okay, maybe we should be gangsta. Maybe God, he be speaking to me because he be like, you ain't no gangster, you a gangster for Jesus. Amen. But you ain't no wash and go gangster. You better do it the way you supposed to be doing it. Okay, hold on. All right, let's speed it up. Okay, y'all, so I just kind of tried to let my hair separate how it wanted to separate. So
I didn't force anything. If it started to break apart, then I just use that section and I just continue to unravel and try to get some volume going. So yeah, y'all stay tuned
to make this happen. So but I'm still come back with the full on look because y'all don't care, okay? Y'all just want to see the end result, right? That's what I thought. All right, so I just stretched my roots. The movement, you know, it's just, the movement is just, you know, it feels really, really, really good. Would I wear my hair out like this? Probably not, because I like big hair. I feel very young and, you know, youthful. I don't feel like a mother and a wife, you know, a person who can drink and vote for the president of the United States. I don't feel, you know, women. I don't.
What?
Listen, I don't feel grown. Like I got bills coming to my house every month. Don't feel like that. It's not, I'm not knocking the hairstyle. I think it was very pretty, you know. This gel really is old, but it works great when doing certain styles like this. My hair doesn't have any crunch, but it has a hold. So yeah, I don't know how many days I'm gonna get out of this hairstyle. Like I feel like if you put some hoops on, you get you a red lip. Oh, you get you a dark lip, because you know fall coming, you know, from California we don't really have, you know, seasons. You get you a dark lip, baby. You get you a red lip, honey, and you put your hoops on, child. Your man gonna be like, ooh. Anyway, I mean, you know, it's different, it's cute, or whatever. If you have not subscribed, this is a problem. All right, it's a big problem. All right, so just go ahead, you know, wait till you go ahead and do that real quick. Right, so you clicked the button, you did. Okay, welcome to the fam bam. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was different. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.